Here's the 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. This happens to be a LT edition, black in color. You'll notice the LT's got the chrome trim. For the most part, everything looks kind of like the Tahoe, with the new exception. Most important feature that everybody's been wanting is the new power fold seats. I'm going to show you how that works. This unit does have a power lift hatch. It's accessible by the remote. Pretty standard. I mean, a lot of them had those this time. But here is the power folding seats that everybody's wanted and been asking for. You'll notice in here you've got controls. The two control to the left. These ones here are actually for your second row seats, and these are your third row seats. So as I press the button down, you'll see the seats fold flat, and you can actually flip that second row forward from the back as well, giving you full flat load. Not completely flat, but it does have a tad bit of an angle. You'll also notice that here in the rear now, you actually have a little bit of storage underneath that seat elevation to give you a little bit of compartment there in the back as well.